Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Cache app not opening on iPhone. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To fix this issue, first of all, what you have to do is make sure that your Cache app is updated to the latest version. Simply go to the Play Store or App Store, search for Cache app, and see if any pending updates are available. If there is an update, go ahead and install it. The next thing you can do is update your iOS to the latest version. To do this, open the Settings app on your iPhone, go to the General section, then tap on Software Update, and check if there's any update available. If there is, update your iOS to ensure compatibility. Now, if after doing this your Cache app is still not opening, the next step is to check your internet connection. You can test this by visiting any online website like Speed Test by Ookla. If your internet is slow or unstable, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the problem. The next thing you have to do is make sure you are not connected to any VPN, because sometimes VPNs cause this issue. Cache app detects your location, and if there's any mismatch or spoofed location through a VPN, your device may get blocked. So, disable any active VPN connections and try reopening Cache app. Finally, if none of these steps work, the last solution is to contact Cache app support. Simply go to the Cache app support page, scroll down, and you'll find two options. You can either message them directly or call their support number. Explain your issue clearly so they can assist you in unlocking or fixing the app problem. So, in order to fix Cache app not opening on your iPhone, you have to follow these steps, and that's it. So that is how you can fix Cache app not opening on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Thanks.